Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your third week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading then that's already uploaded on my channel. Click on videos and find your video. Your cards are already out. There is a very important news that I'm going to give you, but at the end it's about the full moon and it's also about the new counseling session. Yes, so stay till the end if you want to know more about it. Let's start with your love life. You've got the One of Stars and the Fool card in your love life. Well, the two signs that are popping up are Aries and Libra. So you could be dealing with Aries or Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. Not necessary, but this particular sign popped up. So I'm telling it to you. You are going to get victorious in the third week. I do see that you have been struggling in your love life. You could be in separation or no contact. You could be trying very hard to win this person, but nothing worked. This person is going to come back now. Yes, this person has realized their mistake. This person honestly wants a clean, fresh start with you. That means they are ready to forgive you or ask for their forgiveness, your forgiveness, right? So I do see that if you have made a mistake, they will be asking, they will be forgiving you. And if they have made a mistake, they will be coming back to you saying, apologizing or confessing their true feelings, which they never did, and asking for or begging you to take them back. So get ready because someone is definitely coming back. They realized how foolish it was to not choose you and choose someone else, or not believe you and believe someone else, or just end things abruptly. It's been long, it's been a while. I do see them coming back though. So get ready because you are going to be victorious. You are going to win in this situation, right? So it could be either ways, either you are going back to someone or someone is coming back to you. But I do see a win-win situation here. Talking about your career, you've got the Two of Stars and the Death card. Yes. So I do see something is ending in your life so that a new, better thing can begin. So a lot of you could be thinking that I want to end this job. Okay, or because I'm getting a better opportunity somewhere else with better position, better money, better perks. Or you want to end something and go for higher studies, or you want to end the job and start a business. It can be any change, big or small, but something is ending for you and something is beginning for you. I also see that you could be starting very well a new venture. It's like going on a new venture, doing something new, or starting a new business as well. I also see that some of you could be doing that with a female of yours, or with the blessings or help or guidance of a female. It could be a friend, family, partner, anyone. Either you both are doing it together, starting a business together, or it's the mother with who has guided you through, or you have a female investor, some sort of thing, some female thing is there. It could be that you're doing it with a friend, some sort of thing is there which is like bringing about some sort of balance in your life. I do see that this change that you're making is with the help of a woman or advice of a woman, and this change is going to be very beneficial for you. So if you're worried, if you're scared, I don't know whether I should do it or not, then go for it. Be that change, make that change. It's going to bring a lot of stability in your life, balance in your life, and success in your life. But if you're thinking, if I can do both the things side by side, then that's not gonna work, because I do see that you'll have to end something. Also, this requires a transformation from you. That means you'll have to leave your old self behind, which means that if you have been doing 9 to 5 and you're starting a business, you'll have to get into that entrepreneur mindset, working 24/7, being more focused, handling everything on your own. Maybe this is something which you have never done. If you're going to study, then yes, you will be it will be very different from what kind of life you used to live earlier. It could be that it's away from home, or it could be that you're just not used to study again, right? Or if it's a new job, new role, then yes, obviously you cannot behave the same way because now you are the manager or the CEO, right? You will have to behave a certain way. Maybe you are sitting in a different office now. So something in you also has to change, some mindset has to change, some physique has to change. So a transformation also has to happen within you as well if you want this new role to fit you well. So be that change as well. Otherwise, I see it's going to be a beautiful week for you. Everything rosy and hunky and dory is going to happen. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, or you want to claim this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel and comment I manifest this reading so that it manifests faster for you. Coming to the news of rituals, the 12th April and 13th April is the time when the full moon energies are at its peak. This is a perfect time if you want to manifest your desire, your deepest, darkest desire, or if you want to remove any blockages from your life. If you want to book a ritual with me, I have very easy rituals, very cheap rituals available with me. Please contact me on the given email ID or Instagram. Second most important thing is that I have launched a spiritual counseling session as well. If you or any of your friends or family needs help, they need someone to talk to, they need guidance and mentorship, they are stuck in a situation or they feel stuck, they don't know who to go to, any trustworthy person they can just talk to, share their feelings with, and get a guidance also and get a remedy if required, then I can be that person. A counseling I am a spiritual counselor and I have started this counseling session just now, like recently. If you are already following me on Instagram, you would already know about this. If you're not, please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details over there. Okay. You can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com mentioned below, or you can Instagram DM me as well to book any personal reading if you have questions, any rituals if you feel stuck, or any counseling session if you need a therapy. Share it with your friends and family as well if you think they need it. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.